Hello everyone, my name's Janul. Before I start, special thanks to Zane for giving me the opportunity to present. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to stand out as a developer. Let's get into it. First things first, there are some things that you can do to stand out. You need to take a more proactive approach. What do I mean by a proactive approach? This means doing things that other people aren't doing. First approach, social media. Last month, I started a social media page and started posting coding-related content every day. I think you should do the same. It doesn't matter what you're studying. If you're passionate about it, start making content related to it. This will help you build your brand. Next, we got GitHub. This is for all the programmers here. Start using GitHub every day. Collaborate with others, share your code, and yeah. Next, I have a secret productivity hack for you. So you want to find a partner, someone who is willing to work hard, and in the morning you want to send each other goals for the day. And if you and your partner complete your goals for the day, you want to send each other $50. If one of you fails to complete the task for the day, they will not be paid. Thanks everyone. You can support me by scanning the QR code and giving me a follow.